What's good, you boys? It's your boy Gilly. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the most heinous, outrageous posts in the Reddit r/rep. You'll see this sub is home to the most outrageous posts of all time. Feel free to join the sub. Top link. We welcome bullshit posts. 3, 2, 1, jump scare. Oh my fucking god, bro. This was the #1 post of the month with 974 upvotes. If you want on a subreddit, it was impossible to miss this post. So let's break it down. Yang Ping is chilling next to a box. Haul's so boring, bro fell asleep now. This guy at most shipped out 2 pairs of boxes and maybe a card holder. There's some bullshit in this box for sure. Ling Pao knocked out, yeah. In China, when I went there, they sleep on lunch breaks, so this isn't uncommon. All the places I went to, they sleep at their desks. Maybe in the warehouses, they sleep on the floor. I don't know. Chinese natives, you need to tell me, because this guy definitely got sacked after this post. This is my favorite post of all time. Let's break it down. So it says, I ran my first marathon in $19 REPs. Next slide. Here he is here, this absolute Chad. This one got 6 awards, almost at 1,000 upvotes, and for good reason. A full marathon in fake shoes. Now, I used to run a lot. I've attempted to run in fake running shoes, and they do not feel like the real thing. I'm the first to say fakes are incredible, buy them at all costs, but running shoes are the one thing I say do not buy, because I had the Alpha Flies, I had the real ones, I spent $480 on them, and then I bought the best version. They look identical, but in terms of feel and fitment, they are so off. I never recommend doing it. If you're running seriously, just go to your local athlete's foot and just buy a real pair. The injuries that it's going to cause you in the long run are not worth it, but this guy's gone against all those points and he's proven me wrong. Maybe I was buying the wrong shoes, but these were $19 off 1688. Let's read out the caption. So it says, might seem like a joke. I just ran the Paris Marathon at 3 hours and 32 minutes with some, I can't say the brand name, but Evo SLs that I found on 1688 for $19. So yeah, this top comment by Young Plug, sub 4 marathon is incredible. And not only that, in $19 shoes. It just, look, maybe buy running shoes if the technology isn't crazy in them, but with the high-end Alpha Fly, I just never recommend doing it. I don't know how this guy didn't get shin splints, and look at this photo. I didn't even break a sweat by the looks of it. So shout out to this guy. This is my favorite post of all time. QC these shoes promised me 3,000 years ago. This is the #1 post of all time. Yep. We are on a list. Chill casual shirts for vacation. Let's see. Oh my. Shirts I have under my hoodie when the temperature is balls hot. Head mod chiming in with some bullshit. Yeah, this is the future of fashion. Now, the roaring GTX 307 1R Turbo. This guy, you're going to see some more posts from him in a second. I regularly talk about this guy's stuff on Instagram. This guy buys car parts. I'm going to let you in on the full lore. He's been in the sub since pretty much day one. He buys car parts from China, real car parts, and then upsells them in, I think it was Brazil this guy's from. So I'm not going to pretend like I know a thing about cars. I don't, but this guy is hustling. Let me know in the comments, is this ethical? Engines, I don't even know if buying from China is worth it. I have no clue, so I'm not going to speak on it. But this one-ups it. This guy bought a carbon fiber grill for the BMW M3 or M4. Look at this thing. This is ridiculous. I bought the carbon part to resell here in Brazil. It cost me 2,500 yuan, $366 USD, I'm guessing. And then being sold here for 2,350. I guess it's a different kind of QC for the sub. This shit blew up the other week and I said, let me see the whip. Look at this, bro. This guy is clearly doing well from this. Car guys, let me know, is this ethical? Is there anything wrong with it? I have no clue. I want to know, because this guy's always posting car parts. He also buys wheels, which I'll show in a second. That I don't know. I've got so many questions. Do we know if the airbag's going to go off if you hit a tree? This, I don't find as much of a problem with this, but let me know. Getting called out by Sugar is genuinely insane. Yeah, dude. Chat, am I cooked? He got the PR Dad Bolano shirt. This is a Grail. I want the wear to cop link. I didn't even see the babe hoodie. You can see the poly from this shitty ass screenshot. QC on this new Stone Island. I'll give you guys a second. This post was ripped on so many fashion pages on Instagram. It was insane. This went platinum everywhere else but Reddit. Yeah, this top comment, I need the link. Me too. Me too. Summer haul. What is that? I don't even, oh my God. That is a Grail. You can't ship liquid through half the shipping lines. The most random haul it's still going. What? Is that Another one? I've got so many questions that are, yeah, Coke and a maid outfit is wild. This one is probably the most insane post I've ever seen. Completely binned the Chrome Civic, bro. It's so over for me. Check out the whip. Yeah, Drake's Chrome Heart drop top has nothing on this. This is a gem. So we've got Chrome Drone and Chrome Fence. All right, who was first? We're going to find that out now. Okay, this account was 2026, 2024. All right, Chrome Fence, you have to pack up your Reddit account. I don't make the rules. Masterpiece. Yeah, I agree. That'll polish out. Are we copying this, boys? Is this going above your bed? Are you waking up in the middle of the night and seeing this in the shadows of your room? John Pork Circle Chain. This is the most bullshit iced out tinfoil drip I have ever seen, bro. And it's a 1688. If you're seeing this, the guy that posted this, I want to see a diamond tester on this. I think the tinfoil's not even going to show up. Hey, low key, it's shining. Head mod, some bullshit. We do need the tongue chain. Little grocery haul, new tech. Seed oils, cigs, and the beer. Yep, this is the best haul I've ever seen. Rep gas next, please. Absolutely. In Australia, we need that shit pronto. Okay, this guy bought an AMG steering wheel, fully carbon. Is this valid? Is this legal? This looks like a good steering wheel too. Vet and ERD QCs. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to see this one because it takes a little bit to see what's going on in it. Exposing Christina looks a little bit different in this. Okay, that's enough of this post. Bro, I'm telling you, this sub is Wedicop Plantier Lightweight Core Coat. Okay, all right. And this guy bought a passport. I'm going to end it off on this one. This one went platinum. The Chinese just be putting patches on absolutely anything. Are we rocking this, boys? I'm closing this sub tomorrow. This is abysmal.